In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for personal tasks in 2025. To get started, log into your Monday.com account and head into your workspace. This is where all of your boards and organizational tools live, so once you're inside, you'll have a clear place to build your personal task system. Next, look for the plus button beside your workspace name and click it to create something new. From there, create a new board that you'll use specifically for personal tasks. When prompted, enter a name for the board. Choose something simple and clear, like a personal to-do list or weekly task planner, so it's easy to recognize later. Once the board is created, you can begin adding items. In Monday.com, items act as the individual tasks you want to track. In the first column, enter the name of each task. This should be the main action or reminder you want to keep on your list, written in a way that's easy to scan quickly. After that, customize the board with the columns you need. Add a status column so you can track the progress of each task, such as not started, working on it, or done. Then add a date column to keep up with due dates, which is especially helpful for deadlines, appointments, or reminders. Add a priority column as well, so you can organize tasks based on importance and quickly see what needs attention first. If you want more detail, go ahead and add any additional columns you'd like to use for tracking. This can help you tailor the board to your own workflow without making it overly complicated. Now start entering your personal tasks into the board. As you add them, set due dates for each one and assign priority levels based on urgency or importance. This gives your board more structure and makes it much easier to decide what to work on next. As you move through your tasks, remember to update the status column regularly. Keeping statuses current helps your board stay useful instead of becoming outdated. To make your list easier to manage, use Filter to view only specific tasks. This is useful when you want to focus on high priority items or tasks due soon. You can also use Group By to organize tasks by status, priority, or date, depending on how you like to view your workload. Finally, switch between views like Table, Calendar, or Kanban to manage your tasks in the format that works best for you. Review and update your task board regularly so it stays accurate and helpful. Thanks for watching.